Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to see the HTML. Okay, already in online class we completed maximum our portion. So maximum in online class we seen how to insert image. Okay, and what is this? IMG means what? Image. Linking a web page. Okay, linking web page, how to do, and this all things we seen in an online class. But my dear students, this CSS, okay, and the linking, this both are easier, and this one frames also easier. So regarding the CSS, you no need to go deep. Okay, you no need to go deep because first of all in your book they didn't give the HTML, they didn't give the basic. They didn't give the basic of the HTML and they didn't give the basic of the CSS. So directly they are going to the concept. But if I want to explain the basic, okay, if I want to explain the basic, at least means it is equal to 2 chapter. And if I explain also you're not having a book, so whatever I'm explaining, so you will forget and it creates a big problem because what I'm explaining you will write in here, means write in this chapter. So but that all things will not come in a book. What things they're giving, only that will come for your examination. So in this chapter in CSS, okay, you just to go through the what things they given in a book. Okay, depth no need to go. Now linking a web page. How we will link a web page? With help of the anchor tag A. A means what? Anchor. A means anchor. H or EF. Hyperlink reference. H or EF means what? Hyperlink reference. Equal to the location. And to close the location. Over. So this is the link. I have to close the anchor tag. Okay, this all things we may see. Okay, now after here anchor tag, linking web page, anchor tag. Now this all things we may see fastly, and we will finish our chapter this class itself. Okay, in this video itself we will complete our chapter. Those are having doubt, you may come and you may ask in online classes. Now first of all, image. Already I taught you how to insert an image in a web page. First of all, IMG. Okay, this is the M, denotes the image. S or scene, this denotes the image, and this denotes the source. Equal to location with file name and extension. File name, extension. This is the way to insert the image. Correct? I already taught in an online class. Once again I will teach you. So here this is the one image. Okay, before that I'm just opening the notepad. Just I'm typing HTML, you can able to see HTML. I'm closing and I'm not giving head, I'm not giving title, just I'm directly going to the body. But you should not go to body directly, you should give the head and the title. This is for, now see here, IMG, image, SRC, source equal to and I am closing the bracket. Now see here what we have to do. Just go to the desktop. This picture I want to insert. Right click. Go to the property. Here is a location. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, after one more slash. Students, because of okay, here is a slash, so same side slash, and now What is a file name? Open the property. File name is what? PIC. Copy and extension .png. It is very compulsory. You should mention the extension. Now see here. .png. Okay. Now I am saving this file on a desktop. Desktop I am giving 6. After giving the file name .html is what? Compulsory. I given 6 is here. You can able to see. Now just double click. Now what is here? Image is here. Just right click on view. Now you can able to see the page source. Okay, you can able to see this is the tag written by us. From here to here. Location, after the location, here to here means this is a file name with extension. Okay, so no need to go that, already we seen in a online class. Sir, here only we can able to give only the image, not only image, we can adjust the sizes. We can adjust the sizes. Now see here, in your book they given what? Image SRC, source. This is the location of the image, and here CSS. This is a CSS. If you want to write the CSS program, my dear, CSS program, we can write in a way, 3 method we can write the program. First one is a inline. Second one is a internal. And third method is a external. First of all, inline means this inline CSS we will write inside of the tag. This here it is in a inside, correct? Image tag is here. Inside of the tag we are writing, so it is called inline. Then what is internal? Internal means before the body tag. We will open with the style and we will close with the style. This is called internal. Okay, this is called internal. External, no need for you. It is outside of the page. Somewhere we any place we written the CSS file, and that file we will link to this document. Okay, that is called external, out of the document. Internal means what? Inside of the document only we will write. Inline means inside of the tag we will write. Here see, style is here. Height means this is a property. This is a property and this is a value. Value, if you want, you may give it in a pixel, px, 200 pix, or you may give in a percentage wise. Okay, it doesn't matter, as our wish. Okay, as our wish we may use. So if there is a style, you may consider it is a CSS. And what styles they given, only that style you will learn, because if you go deeply you will get confused with everything. And width, 50%. Width means what? This is a width, correct? From here to here is a width, and this is a height. Okay, no need to go more than this. If you go, you will get confused, because they didn't give any basic topics. What things they given, you just to go on that only. Now see here, alignment. Okay, so alignment also we can give based on this tags. Okay, when we are using style, equal to, style means what? CSS, and this is a inline. This is a inline style. Okay, if you are using float, right, image will be in a right side. I am mentioning here img src equal to, and it should end with a semicolon. It is compulsory. If you are mentioning right, image will be in a right side, or if you are mentioning left, it will be in a left side. Image will be left side. But when we are using float, we cannot able to insert image, okay, into center. It will not come in a center. Be clear in this. Don't confuse. It will go only left and right. Next, Here ALT, what is use of this ALT? This is called alternative. Sir, what is alternative? If in a web browser, okay, it is loading, web internet is slow. One image here is here, it is an image. Some image is there. Now what will happen if internet is slow, image will not open. So in alt place, what we are mentioning, the text will display here. Sometimes when image is loading, when internet is slow, that time it will load but image will not open. That time in alt place, what the text we are mentioning, it will display it on a web page. Example, kindly see here. See, this is a internal CSS. Before the body tag I mentioned, this is a internal. This is internal CSS, means here body background color RGB. This is a value of the red, this is a value of green, and this is a value of blue. If in this place instead of body, if I mention B means what? Bold. Okay, open bracket and close bracket. And here means I am mentioning in the top B. Open bracket, close bracket. Now what value we are mentioning here? Property value. This is a property and this is a value. Whenever inside of the body I am using the B tag, that place what things we mentioned here, that all format will apply. Okay, so that is the use of CSS. Only once we can mention. Now see here image source, this is a location. Alt image of the Santa butt. What is in by alt? Alternative text. Okay, in case if you are mentioning any tag wrong in an image, that time also it will show alt only. See here they mentioned something wrong. Can you able to identify what is a mistake? Santa workshop IMG style flow. Students, everything is correct here. Next. Okay, means here two images are there, but here only one image tag is there. This is for example they given. Okay, this is for example. If we are mentioning tag also wrong, we will get output like this only. Now next, linking a web page. We may link internal link inside of the page. Inside of the web page. External means other web pages. I hope you know well how to link the web page. Okay, so already taught in online class. Again I am saying a link means what? A means what? Anchor. H or EF, hyperlink reference. H means hyperlink, REF means a reference, equal to the location. Source, okay, here you may mention the location plus file name with extension, close it, and if you click here, now automatically this text contains a link in output, and when you click this link, what the file you mentioned here, it will open. Okay, so that is a link. So here absolute, you may see here website, it is a point of websites. See here out of the web page, and alternative means inside of a computer means a website. Okay, so this is an example for the this link. Okay, now in CSS we can do this all things. Link, when we are moving mouse cursor, normally it is changing now, that is a link. Okay, okay my students, this all things we can see in the next class. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.